If you're a client of Ambetter and you want to make a payment, enter in your browser ambetterhelp.com. At the top, you will click Pay Now. In this case, we will choose the second option to fill the information, the last 4 digits of your social security, date of birth, and your zip code. Then, you will click in Find My Account. Once you're here, you will select the amount you want to pay, the payment date, and the payment method. In this opportunity, I'll choose the one that is already registered. Finally, you'll have to fill the other details as your address and your email account. Then, you may click Continue to verify all data is correct, and that's it. To make the payment, you just have to click in Submit.